everyone, so it's time to change the color of this car right here. For those who guessed it, it was this car who's gonna end up getting wrapped, but we can't take off the color without sending it off in the proper way. So we're gonna make something happen here, something that's gonna bring us back a lot of beautiful memories of when this car looked this color. Let's get the show started. We send it off properly, boys. I'll clean it up. Holy moly. Damn, look at the backyard. Oh my god.
Looks like they still can go one more round.
It does, right?
Yeah.
We're probably gonna have to leave that for the street. I don't want the neighbors to get too pissed off.
Yeah.
Dude. They're gonna call the cops on me, watch.
If they do, I'm gonna record them, okay?
Yeah, we'll record that, dude. All the freaking houses are full of smoke.
The Forcy, they already hate you.
Yeah. I don't know why though. I don't know why they would hate me. Wait for the cops there?
Yeah.
Oh. Ain't no cops there. Fucking asshole. You guys see what I gotta deal with? Dude, they're still smoking here. It's been like 3 or 4 minutes already. Alright, let's let the car cool down.
The next burnout is mine.
Whew. Yeah, you're gonna have to do the next burnout.
We'll go through the game on the car.
They were gonna explode. See this crack right here?
Yeah, I was scared it was gonna get hit by crossfire.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, those things are coated in freaking rubber.
I told you you're gonna feel it.
Oh no, the exhaust tip. Lesson today. This is how we have fun. This is what we do, okay? You get bored, you do this.
See? You gotta clean it up.
So after you come out and, you know, you have fun, you gotta be a responsible adult.
You clean your shit.
Yeah, so you gotta clean up all your shit.
Yeah.
Huh? What? You can't just do your nonsense and not be responsible. I was gonna leave it for Lala to clean up, but
I would have done it too.
I was gonna say, I think that would have worked out in my favor.
You'll be eating cup noodles for a while.
How do you think I afforded these cars?
Tuna and cup noodles.
A lift of ramen noodles.
You missed the spot.
Where?
The two stickers?
The tire marks? Oh no. Yeah, those are stuck.
So you better bring that power washer.
Oh look, it's like
Chunks.
yeah. Yep. I'll have to get the power washer for this. Alright guys. This is how you do a proper burnout. You gotta have a pile of beautiful black powder when you're done. If you don't have a pile like this, that means you didn't do a proper burnout. This is it.
You should collect it.
Yeah.
Burnout 2023.
Yep. I'm excited and sad at the same time about doing this. Excited because I'm really looking forward to the new color of the car. Sad because I am gonna miss this color. This was a beautiful color, but with that being said, it's time to get busy. All right, so this is the hood. That took a lot more work than I anticipated. Whenever you're removing vinyl, the big panels, the big flat panels are usually the ones that are bigger pain in the ass. The fenders are very easy, doors easy, quarter panels are easy, but for some reason, maybe it's just me, but for me, the hood, it's always the biggest pain in the ass, and that sucked. I am out of breath. It is really hot, and you know, the whole pulling thing is very tiring, and it is really hard on your fingers. Like, your fingers will start to burn after a while. No, the Supra. All right, you guys, so as you guys can tell, the car is like completely taken apart. This is hard work, you guys. This is really hard work. All right, so we got the bumpers disassembled. I got all the brackets, the lip, all the wrap is completely off the entire car, with the exception of the door handles and the wing, the little bottom parts of the mirrors. I'll do those at the end once I'm putting the car back together. But the car is completely free of vinyl. I was able to take that door sill, I think that's what it's called, the door sill over here off. This one, I forgot that one of the bolts was stripped, so actually I just end up lifting it from one side and then just tucking the vinyl in. So now I literally just have to clean it really good, get all the glue residue off. This is hard work, you guys. There's a reason why people who wrap cars charge what they charge. Even wrapping, like if you're gonna do it properly, as far as disassembling the car, that's a ton of work, as you guys can tell. I mean, in my opinion, in order for it to come out the best, you should take the bumpers off, you should, you know, take the mirrors off, the handles off, just to make sure you really get the wrap in between the crevices and none of the original color shows up. There are a lot of people who wrap, you know, with the whole car intact and they just kind of tuck the wrap in there, but the problem with that is if and when it does pull back, you'll see the color shine right through right away. So this is the reason why I'm doing it this way, because I want it to be perfect, and so I want to do it right. But that's gonna be it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys real quick, you know, what the car looked like before, you know, we start wrapping it. On the next video, I will be wrapping the entire car, and I'll show you guys, you know, how to, and hopefully, and maybe help you guys out if you guys want to learn how to wrap your cars. But hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.